Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video. In this video, I'm going to share a VPN app that can help add an extra layer of protection while you're using the internet. This app can also help secure your connection when you're browsing online. The app is available on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your device and search for ML Max Pro VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app, then install it. After installing the app, tap on Open to begin the setup. If you're new to the channel, this is a good time to like the video, share it, and subscribe. On this channel, we regularly share apps and guides that focus on online security and connection stability. Once the app opens, you'll need to adjust a few settings. First, tap on the three lines in the top corner and select Online Update. This updates the app resources so it can work properly and improve performance. After the update is complete, go back to the main screen and choose a server. You'll see an option called Auto Select Server. For this guide, I recommend using this option because the app will automatically select the best server for your location. Next, select your country from the list. For this example, I'm choosing but you should select the option that works best in your country. Once everything is set, tap on the Start button. The app will connect, and your internet connection will be active with added protection. That's how you can set up ML Max Pro VPN to help secure your connection while browsing online. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more useful content, and I'll see you in the next video.